The big political face-off erupts as Supreme Court pulls up leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi over his remarks on the Indian Army during Bharat Jodo Yatra in 2022. The top court didn't mince words, remarking that a true Indian will not say all this, even as it stayed the ongoing criminal defamation case. Let's break down what happened, what the court said, and why this is turning into a political flashpoint, a big embarrassment. He's a leader of opposition and the Supreme Court gave him an earful. It all began with Rahul Gandhi's press interaction during Bharat Jodo Yatra on December 19. Referring to the border clash in Arunachal Pradesh Yangtze sector, Gandhi claimed thousands of squares of kilometers of Indian territory were under occupation. That remark sparked outrage and a criminal defamation complaint soon filed by a retired bureau director, Uday Shankar Srivastava. Fast forward to today, when the case came up before the Supreme Court, Rahul Gandhi's counsel, senior advocate Abhishek Manu Singhvi, argued that the Congress leader has a right to free speech under Article 19(1)(a). But the court was not convinced. The bench reminded Gandhi's legal team that such sensitive statements, especially about national security, should be made within Parliament, not on public platforms or social media. Senior advocate Gaurav Bhatia, appearing for the complainant, defended the trial court's summons. But the court has now stayed those proceedings for now and agreed to examine procedural lapses and whether the complainant qualifies as an aggrieved person under defamation law. The Supreme Court's sharp word for Rahul Gandhi have triggered a fresh political storm with the BJP, calling it a strong rebuke, and the Congress insisting it's a fight for the truth.
There are only three possibilities. One is the government of India or the army itself who are guarding the territory. If they provide evidence, that should be treated as an official document. Second possibility is Rahul Gandhi might have got the information from the Chinese government or Chinese authority. Where else it can come? Either from government of India or government of China. Or third is self-fabricated, self-created, self-cooked story. So Rahul Gandhi has to tell whether his claim of Chinese occupation of Indian territory is from government of India source or Chinese source or is his own creation.
सबसे पहले तो बात ये है कि ये सब जुडिस है अभी केस है ना, आगे क्या होता है क्या नहीं होता है इसको देखना पड़ेगा। दूसरे इसमें आप एक तथ्य भूल जाते हैं, वो क्या बोले हो तो आपने कहा, लेकिन उन्होंने स्टे भी तो कर दिया, स्टे भी तो किया, तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट को सोच के स्टे किया होगा ना, है ना। तो ये आप तो जानिए ना। और राहुल जी तो यही कह रहे हैं सरकार से कि बताओ कि भाई क्या स्थिति क्या है, आप सही बोलो, बता दो। लेकिन आप सरकार सही जो है स्पष्ट रूप से कुछ बता भी तो नहीं रही है।
The Honorable Supreme Court made a statement, if you are a true Indian, you wouldn't say this. ये सवाल हम पूछते हैं। देखिए, संवैधानिक संस्था सर्वोच्च न्यायालय राहुल गांधी की भारतीयता पे इतना गंभीर कमेंट करता है, हर देशवासी आहत है। एक भारतीय अपनी सेना के लिए जो पूरे विश्व में सबसे वीर है, कैसे कह सकता है कि वो चीनी सेना से पिट रही है। बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण टिप्पणी है, तीसरी टिप्पणी। Whatever you have to say, why don't you say in the parliament? Why do you have to say this in the social media posts?
So as the political sparring intensifies, the top court has hit the pause button, but not without a pointed warning. The key constitutional questions will now be debated in court in the coming week.